Welcome back to Camp Nou Vision, and once again in today's video, we are right in the middle of a massive construction wave where everything is moving at full intensity, from the upper third tier all the way down to the structural core of the stadium. Every single section is showing visible progress at the same time, and the scale of changes happening right now is absolutely incredible. In today's update, we're going to break down every major area step by step. The third tier is now approaching its final structural completion phase, with most of the prefabricated seating already installed across the curved and lateral sections. Only a few small gaps remain in the south goal corner where finishing pieces are still being positioned. The overall seating bowl of the upper level is now clearly defined, and the curvature of the stands is fully visible, showing how the stadium will look once finished. Final alignment and minor finishing works are still ongoing, but the third tier is now largely in its completed structural form. Work inside the VIP ring interiors continues progressing steadily, with more construction materials and finishing elements now visible across multiple sections. Drywall panels, structural framing, and additional interior systems are gradually being installed throughout the premium hospitality areas. While many spaces are still under development, activity inside the VIP rings continues increasing as crews prepare these sections for the next phase of interior finishing work. The compression ring structure continues moving forward quickly, with new phalanges, radial beams, and structural sections extending further toward the north goal side. The upper cantilever areas are becoming more complete as additional pieces continue connecting into place. So far, crews have installed 10 pillars, 10 radial beams, and 25 phalanges across the developing roof structure. Even though this is not yet 25% of all total pieces, the covered roof surface has already passed 1/4 of the stadium perimeter. The compression ring work is progressing faster than the decorative Lamella installation and continues reshaping the upper profile of the stadium. The second tier continues progressing through its interior construction phase, with major work focused on structural finishes and internal divisions. Workers are actively building walls for corridors, service areas, and facility zones such as restrooms and hospitality sections. While the exterior structure is mostly in place, the interior of the second tier is still undergoing detailed finishing work, preparing it for full functional use in the next stages. The south goal area has seen major progress with the installation of Lamella anchors across both the false ceiling section and the upper bracket zones. Multiple lifting platforms were operating throughout the sector as crews continued adding new anchor points at a very fast pace. Most of this area now looks highly advanced, with only a few remaining sections still needing completion. Inside the south goal mobility cores, worker activity continues around the future elevator sections while structural work appears nearly finalized. Despite the internal framework looking mostly complete, sandwich panels and concrete facade panels have still not been installed in these two mobility cores. The lateral section continues to deliver one of the biggest visual transformations on the entire project. Multiple Lamella sectors have now been fully connected together, creating a continuous facade surface that dramatically changes the stadium's appearance from the outside. The structure now looks significantly more complete, and the connected lamellas are finally revealing the future identity of the facade system. Support installations and finishing work also continue expanding toward the north goal side as crews prepare additional sections for future Lamella placement. The north goal corner is now reaching a very advanced preparation stage for future Lamella installation. Alignment guides remain visible across the black beam system while crews continue making final adjustments to ensure everything is perfectly positioned. The black beams themselves are now fully painted, and most visible preparation work in this corner appears nearly complete. With the current level of progress, this area looks increasingly close to finally receiving its first Lamella installations. Inside the north goal false ceiling area, workers continue focusing on alignment work, painting operations, and final adjustments to the support system before Lamella installation begins. Several lifting platforms remain active throughout the sector while exposed bolts and beam sections continue receiving protective black coating. Interior activity also remains intense beneath the cantilever, where crews are performing finishing work between structural beams and slab sections. Support installation work continues progressing across the north goal side as crews drill directly into the vertical pillars to prepare new attachment points for the Lamella system. Additional support brackets are already visible connected to nearby beam sections while workers continue measuring and aligning future installation points. At higher levels, anti-corrosion coating work also remains active as teams continue painting exposed bolts and structural elements across the facade. Workers are currently active in the mobility core along the side section, where several sandwich panel segments have been removed to allow ongoing structural adjustments. Inside the core, crews are working directly on the exposed framework, carrying out alignment and fixing operations for the support system that will later connect with the facade structure. The interior steel structure and service pathways for vertical circulation remain clearly visible, while additional finishing work is still in progress. On the outer side of the core, activity continues around the openings where future enclosure elements and lamella connections will be integrated, showing steady progress toward the next construction stage. In the corner connecting the north goal with the Tribune section, many additional vertical supports for the future lamellas have now been installed. This area clearly shows the changing facade geometry as the support structure gradually transitions toward the Tribune side. Worker activity remains very strong throughout the interior corridors, while anti-corrosion treatment and finishing work continue around the exposed beam systems and mobility core sections. The Tribune area appeared calmer compared to other parts of the stadium, with fewer lifting platforms and less heavy activity visible at ground level. However, work continues around the upper structure where crane operations and scaffold activity remain ongoing. Sandwich panel installation is also gradually progressing around the mobility cores, with some sections already partially enclosed while neighboring areas still await future facade work. At the final Tribune corner, tower crane activity continues around the third cantilever as crews keep advancing upper structural operations. Vertical supports for the future Lamella system are becoming increasingly visible throughout this corner, although horizontal joining pieces still remain pending in several sections. Interior finishing work can now also be clearly seen behind the glass-backed areas, while the green tubular systems continue expanding across the front edge of the cantilever structure. In the central upper section of the stadium, a concrete pump was positioned beneath the upper structure, indicating ongoing or upcoming concrete operations around the higher cantilever levels. Crane activity also continues near the third cantilever, where additional structural work is still progressing. Although visibility from ground level remains limited, movement around this area confirms that construction activity remains active across the upper structural systems. Concrete finishing work continues around the cafeteria diamond structure, where some recently poured sections still require additional refinement. Certain surfaces appear unfinished and are expected to undergo another finishing phase before completion. Nearby formwork also remains in place around several areas as crews continue shaping and preparing the surrounding concrete structure. Inside the north goal mobility cores, workers continue focusing on alignment work, painting operations, and final adjustments to the support system before Lamella installation begins. Several lifting platforms remain active throughout the sector while exposed bolts and beam sections continue receiving protective black coating. Interior activity also remains intense beneath the cantilever where crews are performing finishing work between structural beams and slab sections. That's a wrap for today's update. What we are seeing right now is the stadium moving into a much more advanced stage. With the third tier almost complete, the compression ring expanding fast, and the facade and interior works progressing step by step. Every new update is bringing us closer to the final shape of this massive project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.